What's up, everyone? I'm gonna be putting on a lip on this little wing right over here for my Abarth. So just to have a little extension for look, just for cosmetic stuff. Let's see how it goes. So we're gonna be putting a little lip right here. So we'll see how it goes. And you guys see in here. So I'm gonna install a rear mud flaps for my, mud flaps for my Abarth. Reason for that is because of this. I always have to clean it, and it chips all my paint. It's LA driving, for goodness sake. Anyway, that goes the same with the front, but I already cleaned it. We got all that little dirt. So anyway, I'm gonna put it on, and first off, we're gonna have to remove remove the rims. Put it in a jack stand, that way I can drill it easily and cut the mud flap correctly. I got this brand over here, so it's pretty soft. It's sitting in the sun, that's why. It's a universal brand. I got it off Amazon. 26 bucks. It's cheap for a good plastic. It's not as thick as my Evo mud flap. It's the same brand, but I guess the Evo is different. Anyway, let's put it on. Let's remove all the wheels, and that way we can drill it easily. So first you gotta remove this 8mm nuts and a 10mm, and then clean your inside and clean this. That way when you put it on, you don't have to, you can clean this stuff right here. So since I'm not going to be reusing this piece right over here, it says Abarth on it. Since I'm not going to be reusing it, I'm just gonna, it's a small flap. See, it's a little mud guard. Anyway, I'm going to be putting the mud guard right here, so you don't need that anymore. Just use the screws that came with it. So what I did to mark the indentation where the screws are at, I just lean it against the wall and pressed it. As you can see, there's a little marking over there, and then there's another one right over here on the bottom, and then on the right side, the third screw, it's going to be on a corner. Just press it in, it'll make an indentation. That's when you know you got the right there's the two markings right there. You got the right position. That's about it. Since you already have the hole on the other one, so it's best to make the hole with it now. That way you don't have to do the first pressing it in and all that stuff. So I made a hole already from the first one and that one. So this is the front, and then I'll do the other side, and this side is done. It's good that it's unnoticed. I mean, it's not noticeable. I kind of tucked it in where it's not showing. It's just enough to not to make the rod go to the valance. Anyway, so that's how it looks like from the inside. So it's pretty flat. So, and here it is. It's on the car. I put a little, you could probably punch a hole over it with a screw, but I don't want to. So I can reverse the process if I want to one day. Anyway, that's double-sided tape. So that's about it. I'm gonna put the other one on. So far so good. It's easy. For this particular brand, so I went ahead and aligned this mud flap over here. That goes all the way straight, held on by clips. That way I can mock it and then cut it. So I wanted to just show the armor a little bit. That's where my point is, and then cut from there, from the inside, and then I'll cut it with the metal scissor. Anyway, and that's how it looks like. That's the beginning of it, and I'm gonna mark from the inside and then cut it. So I'm gonna follow that line and make a cutout from it. I don't need this piece anymore, this extra piece. This is looking from the inside. All right. From the inside, that's the line that I traced, and then I'll just go ahead and cut it from there. Went ahead and also punched a hole or slice a little cutout right here. So do a little cutout, that way it doesn't, that way it sits flat. So if you don't do it, it just, it's not flat. So I want it to look like that. So anyway, ready to drill holes, and then I'm done on this left side. By the way, my car's tilted. Gotta do the other side. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe if you can please, and God bless. See you. Bye.